So in today's session, we are going to learn how to use the filter method. We will find odd numbers from a list of integers. This is our program for today, and while in the course of this program, we are going to learn about lambda expression. These lambda expressions are an integral part of functional programming. Lambda expression is needed frequently in functional programming, rather declarative coding. So it is very important to learn this. And along with this, we will also learn the filter method. So here we are in the coding screen. Main method. Yes. Now we are going to declare a list of integers. Let's say the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us import this list, alt enter. Now let's convert numbers to a list of stream. Next we are going to use the filter method. Don't worry, we are going to learn about the filter method at the end of the video. Okay, so now just focus on the code. Now we will write a static method izod, which will take integer num as the input parameter, and it will return a boolean value. Please note that this izod method is used to check if num is odd or not. Okay, so let's declare a boolean flag and set its initial value to false, and we will return flag. Okay, and in between this we are going to write the logic for checking if num is odd or not. Okay, so if block, let's write the logic. Here we are checking if num is not divisible by 2. We are setting flag to true. Okay, and then we are returning flag. So in the filter parenthesis, now we are going to call the izod method using the static method reference which we had learned in the previous session. So using the session 3 class name, we'll call izod method. Yes. Now let's call the for each method to print the result. Let us run the code now. You can see it's giving 1, 3 and 5. All are odd. Now we can write this whole logic in a shorter way. So let us comment it out. So these two lines can replace this whole block of code. So instead of writing this boolean flag and all, we can just directly return it like this. See how easy it is, how neat it is. So this one line can replace this whole code. Now let us run the program. You can see the same result, 1, 3 and 5. Now carefully observe this. Num is the input parameter of the method, and this is the logic of the method, this expression. So now what we will do is, in the filter parenthesis, we will give the input parameter as num. Then we'll give this following expression, and then we'll paste our logic. Okay, over here num is the input parameter of this method, and this is the logic of the method, and all together this is known as the lambda expression. So this particular lambda expression, this is replacing this whole method. Okay, this is the power of the lambda expression. There are different types of lambda expressions. The first one is single parameter lambda. That means it will have only one parameter. Okay, like this one is the single parameter lambda because it has only one parameter, that is num. Okay, and there are many others. The other types of lambda expression are multiple parameter lambda, no parameter lambda, lambda with block, lambda with explicit parameter types, and lambda with return statement. We'll discuss about these type of lambda expressions in detail in our upcoming session. Till then, just concentrate on this one. Now let us run the code. You can see the output is 1, 3 and 5, the same. Now we'll see how the filter method works. So we are going to find odd numbers. This is our funnel through which we are going to filter. Okay, this is the logic. Logic is that if integer is not divisible by 0, the integer will pass through the funnel, or else it will be stuck in the funnel. Okay, this is the result box where we'll collect everything, and these are the integers, list of integers 1 2 3 4 5. Now one by one these will come into the funnel. Now 1 is going to come to the funnel, it is going to process the logic, it satisfies the logic, so it filters out. 2 is going to come, it processes the logic, does not satisfy, so it gets stuck. 3 comes, processes logic, satisfies logic, so comes down to the result box. 4 comes, processes the logic, doesn't satisfy the logic, so stucks. 5 comes, processes the logic, satisfies the logic, so comes down to the result box. This is how the filter method works. It is literally filtering like a funnel. I hope you have understood the filter method. So let us summarize what have we learned from today's session, how the filter method works and the lambda expression. Now let us mark our filter method green. So congratulations, we have marked our filter method green, and in the next session we are going to learn 3 methods, that is map, collect and toList. I'll meet you in the next session. Take care and bye.